let's say we have a right triangle over here, and I tell you everything about this right triangle except a few things. So I tell you this is triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. Let me say this is 61 degrees. This is 61 degrees. And this side length, let's say, is 10 units, whatever we're measuring it in. Now, I want you to find this side right here, side AC. So I want you to find side AC. And I'm just going to put a question mark there. Pause the video and try this on your own. All right, let's work on it together. So, first of all, to solve for AC, we have to remember the phrase SOH-CAH-TOA. And this might look gibberish, but what it's really trying to say is this is the sine of an angle, opposite over hypotenuse. This is the cosine of an angle, adjacent over hypotenuse. And this is the tangent of an angle, opposite over adjacent. So now that we found out what this means, let's use this angle to find this side length. So I'm thinking, well, you know what? It deals with an opposite side because we know one side of the triangle, AB. So I'm going to try sine. So I think sine is going to work. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And yeah, that looks correct because the opposite, so sine of 61 degrees, or angle, is going to be equal to the opposite, and this is the opposite right over here. So 10 over the hypotenuse, which I am going to color code in blue. This is the side length we want to know, AC. I'm just going to write AC. Now to solve for this, all we have to do, I'm going to flip both the numerator and denominator on both sides, and it's going to equal the same thing. So it's going to be 1 over the sine of 61 degrees equals AC over 10. And now we're just going to solve for AC. So we're going to multiply by 10 on both sides to get AC alone. And so AC, I'm going to just put AC on the left side. AC equals 10 over the sine of 61 degrees. And now we're just going to put this into our calculator just to find out what this is. So let me get the calculator in here. 10 over the sine, which is in the trigonometry button. And I'm not going to press sine yet. I'm just going to put 61 sine. That's going to give us, this is sine of 61. 10 divided by that is going to be 11.4. Let me round it. So AC, side length AC, is, let's say, around, this is the rounding symbol. Let's say around 11.43. So AC is around 11.43.